Hey everyone, Captain Jan here with New Wire Marine. Today I want to show you how you can replace out some toggle switches that had boots with stainless steel toggle switches with stainless steel rings. Give the boat a little bit more of a classic look, classic feel, update the dash a little bit. Very easy, very quick, super simple, super affordable change you can do on your boat if you have toggle switches. This 2004 Sea Hunt Triton 172 has 5 toggle switches with boots. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and replace out these toggle switches with some new ones and give them a stainless steel ring. Kind of really help it pop in class and look. Super easy to do. It'll also kind of match with the stainless steel rings around the gauges. Follow along, easy to do. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to loosen up the outer boot. Now sometimes if you try to turn this, the entire toggle will spin, so you may have to reach underneath the dash just to hold that boot in place. So let's go ahead and give this a go. I think the timing of this replacement was probably needed. The old ones were pretty rusted out. Terminals were bad. A couple of the terminals were actually broken, so the circuits weren't working correctly. We're going to go ahead and swap them out with some new ones, and then like I said, we're going to replace out these boots. We're going to put a nice beauty ring on it, kind of sharpen up the way this dash looks. One of the other things that we sell are wire labels. Now these wire labels are kind of unique because they're a wrap-on style, and you can take and wrap them around the wire instead of having to remove the wire, crimp on new connectors or heat shrink it. These will self-seal as you put the laminate over top of itself. So here, let's drop a horn wire onto one of these, pull that off. Grab the horn wire. So now that's permanently labeled as the horn wire. And you don't have to remove the end, you don't have to re-snip anything, you don't have to heat shrink anything. It comes right on a roll. So definitely check those out.